Hello, everyone. Are you ready to join us in exploring the exciting events happening around the world? Today's video is sure to have many amazing moments you've never seen before. So let's begin. Never underestimate the sea. Digger Tiger waves can reach 22 feet in height, equivalent to a Category 6 storm, powerful enough to sweep away any complacency. Nature was a little too energetic today. A dusty surge sent everyone running in all directions. Parking on a bridge in such harsh weather is a baffling decision. It certainly would never happen in America. A groundwater system collapsed in Texas, USA. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential. Oh my goodness. Based on your experience, what advice would you give to help reduce flooding risks? Is Texas, California, or New York leading? Speak up and let's see which state is watching the most. Unbelievable. Why would anyone set up a stall in such harsh weather? A major explosion at a well-known fireworks market in Mexico created massive smoke columns. Our thoughts are with those affected. Thor's Well on the Oregon coast was formed by thousands of years of erosion of volcanic basalt rock by ocean waves, creating a giant sinkhole. That's why you should always check your rearview mirror. One moment of inattention can cost $500,000. Please subscribe, because what's coming next is even more impressive. If this area had landslide warning signs, many risks could have been prevented. The safest place is often behind the camera. Mud flows can carry millions of tons of debris at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Now, I understand why life expectancy in Europe is often higher than in Asia. This Lamborghini has passed the water leak test with flying colors. This must be staged. It probably cost around $20 million. The way wealthy people spend money can be quite unique. Oh my! Do you think the fault lies with the street vendor or the overloaded truck? Oh my goodness, he escaped in the final second. One of those moments that makes you grateful for everything. A metal fire in Turkey using water is a mistake, as it creates hydrogen gas and makes the fire burn more intensely. Never risk your safety out of curiosity. Move away quickly and keep a safe distance. Wow! How would you rate the Flying Lions aerobatic team's performance? Heavy rain and illegal mining led to the collapse of the Calando mine, causing serious damage. Let's take a moment to remember those impacted. And here's my special gift for you. Have a great day. After this moment, you'll understand. Before leaving your car, turn off the engine, engage the brake, and double-check. Small habits prevent major risks. During strong storms, avoid using umbrellas. They can be blown away. Find safe shelter and keep your distance.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god.
A century-old tree split in half during a winter storm in Tennessee. Thankfully, she was not injured. Sometimes animals can be more clever and skillful than humans. Mountain biking is exciting, but even a small mistake can lead to trouble. Always wear protective gear and control your speed. A lightning bolt can reach temperatures of about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, enough to melt metal instantly.
Yes! Oh, oh my god, you missed. I'll go inside. Come on.
What the fuck is that? A giant stingray? That's so much kelp.
Well, it seems even the ocean can't decide what color to wear today.
Oh my god.
Ew, it looks nasty. Thank you.
Echinocactus grusoni is a rare, spherical cactus with golden spines, found in dry regions of Mexico and known for its long lifespan. An avalanche covered the Sonamarg resort area in Kashmir. That's why experts advise against building near mountain slopes. If you have the chance, you should visit the Luoding windmills at least once in your life. The scenery there is truly spectacular. I'm happy to see rescue teams saving a dog on the ice. Acts of kindness like this should be shared.
5-6 rated, can you roll rescue? This female.
I think that animal weighs around 1,200 pounds and is relaxing on a tire swing. Which moment did you enjoy the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have a wonderful day. What a spectacular sight! Millions of seabirds hunting sardines off the coast of California. What device are you watching on? Watch as a sea eagle dives into the water to catch fish. With a wingspan of about 20 feet, it truly looks like a star. Lava columns hundreds of feet high rise from Kilauea volcano. It's intense and powerful, like the strongest emotions we feel. Did you know? Boxer crabs are a unique species of crab that can grip two sea anemones like gloves for self-defense and hunting, making them extremely rare in nature.
And spoons, but you play with cups.
Shoulders,
Someone gives the
nose,
commands,
cup.
and the rest of the people try to get a cup, and you remove one each round. It may
Cup, nose, cup. Cup, nose, cup.
Do you see what looks like a hidden spaceship? The world is always worth admiring. Slowly, water rotates a block of ice, shaping it into a perfect spinning circle in a Washington lake. Wow, it looks effortless, but it's the result of thousands of hours of practice condensed into a few remarkable seconds. Millions of fish are released from the air to replenish aquatic life in U.S. waters. It's truly uplifting to watch. Cars don't catch fire without warning signs. The question is whether you notice them in time and whether insurance will cover it. Wishing all my viewers good health and good fortune. Why are there no safety barriers on such a risky road? Who is responsible when accidents happen? The 330-foot cargo ship Luno was broken in two by large waves in the Bay of Biscay. Fortunately, rescue helicopters arrived in time. A 38,000-volt power line explosion at a Humacao substation affected over 12,000 residents. Sometimes life needs moments like this to remind us that reality can be more surprising than fiction. If the parking structure had been stronger, this might not have happened. Who will cover the damages? When a crocodile doesn't even need to hunt, food comes right to it.
You pretty much wouldn't even.
If this hailstorm hit a U.S. farm, the entire crop could be lost.
They're so, guys, you're
If you enjoyed this moment, please leave a like. Incredible! He climbed 686 steps of a tower without touching the ground in 12 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ça tire. 12 minutes 30, 686 marches.
Tight parking space? Try this smart trick. His driving skills are impressive.
छोड़ ले है ऊपर से आ रहा है।
Mud flows can carry millions of tons of debris at speeds up to 60 miles per hour, heavy like concrete, powerful enough to sweep everything away. A plane slid off the runway at Chicago O'Hare Airport. Passengers were evacuated safely. Wow, what a stunning sight!
E o povo correndo. Aí, ó. Olha aí, ó.
Unexpected. That wave just swept away my shorts.
Olha a correria. Olha aí que vira.
Caracoles! Uau! Olha lá!
What time of day do you usually watch videos? Let me know in the comments. And of course, not everything goes as planned. Wow! I think that man must have an IQ above 100. A perfect disguise to enjoy a free feast of seeds. Impressive. How would you rate this chef on a scale of 10? This video ends here. Which moment amazed you the most? Share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for tomorrow's video. Goodbye, and see you soon.